Dili ni siya sayon. It takes a lot of sacrifices.
Present all the platforms and your plans for the city of Iligan.
Nakita nato nga aside from the 2 years na nato consistently nakuha ang tuang award for the seal of good financial housekeeping, nakuha po nato ang ikatulong nga biggest leap after nato ma-comply ang mga requirements sa gobyerno, the seal of good local governance puhon. Definitely medyo mutaas yun ang atong competitiveness sa atong syudad in terms of the services being delivered to our constituents. Dili ni siya sayon. It takes a lot of sacrifices that comes with good management and pag-encourage ato mga departments nga mulihok sila napatay recognition, anti-red tape, meaning mas na atong services mas paspas na. Pero we've also been focused on promoting our city as a tourism destination. Another thing is to invite potential investors not only locally but internationally. We have also assured the public that ang atong peace and security is okay. We open up the peace and order budget. Isuportahan nato og allowance gikan sa local government as well as equipments, as well as uniforms. Mas mausa nato ang pagprotektar sa Iligan.